Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to clear your browsing history in the Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, which is the main menu icon. Click on that icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into Brave's main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your browser. Once you're in the settings menu, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical panel with several different options listed there. From this panel, click on Privacy and Security. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your browsing data, cookies, security preferences, and other privacy-related settings. It's where Brave gives you control over what information gets stored and what gets removed. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, look through the available options until you find one labeled Delete Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on that. This is the feature that allows you to remove your browsing history, cached files, cookies, and other temporary data that Brave has stored while you've been using the browser. It's a straightforward way to clean up your digital footprint and free up some space. After clicking on Delete Browsing Data, you'll see a new window appear with different options for what you want to clear. At the top of this window, you'll notice a tab that says More. Click on that tab to reveal additional settings and options for clearing your data. This gives you more detailed control over exactly what gets deleted and from what time period. Once you've clicked on More, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to select a time range for the data you want to delete. Click on this drop-down and select All Time from the list. By choosing All Time, you're telling Brave to clear your entire browsing history from the very beginning, not just from the past hour, day, or week. This ensures a complete cleanup of your browsing data. After selecting All Time, look for the button that says Delete from this device and click on it. Brave will now begin processing your request and removing all the browsing data you've selected. This might take a few seconds depending on how much data has been stored, so just give it a moment to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing history in Brave, giving yourself a fresh start and enhanced privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.